Welcome to Animatronic Club. Today we got 2018 Gemmy bell ringing Snowman. And this was distributed at Walmart. I couldn't find it at my Walmart, so I had to get it through the website. Animated ringing Snowman. The cost is $14.98. Plays It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. 3 double A's, Walmart.com. Let's take a look at him. There he is. Got a little rose on his hat. There's his bell that he's going to ring. We're going to squeeze his right hand and he'll do his thing. Now he has two different mechanisms. A body mechanism right here and a head mechanism up here. So, let's see how that works. Oh, and a hand mechanism, I forgot. The hand moves up and down, so let's see it.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
And that's going to wrap it up for him. Goodbye.